people hear the words market crash, they imagine chaos, fear, panic, traders shouting on Wall Street, families losing homes, dreams disappearing overnight. But there's another side to every crash. A side most people never see, because every major crash in history of 1929, 2000, 2008 wasn't just a moment of destruction. It was the beginning of a massive wealth transfer. After the crash of 1929, those who dared to buy when everyone else was terrified saw fortunes beyond belief. During the dot-com bust, Amazon fell from over $100 to just $6. Netflix traded for less than the price of a movie ticket. The ones who believed when no one else did, didn't just survive, they became legends. And when the housing market collapsed in 2008, the world called it the end of capitalism. But those who kept calm and stayed liquid bought real estate, stocks and businesses for pennies on the dollar. What followed? The longest bull run in American history. So here's the truth no one tells you. Crashes don't destroy wealth. They transfer it, from the emotional to the rational, from those who panic to those who plan. And once again, the warning lights are flashing. Debt levels are higher than ever. Stock valuations are stretched to their limits. The same experts who said everything's fine in 2007 and are saying it again today. History doesn't repeat, but it rhymes. And if that rhythm continues, then the next great reset isn't decades away. It's closer than anyone wants to admit. The question isn't, will there be a crash? The real question is, will you be ready for it? Because when panic takes over, prices fall. And that's when courage becomes the most valuable asset on earth. The investors who stay patient, who build cash reserves instead of chasing hype, will buy the next generation of world-changing companies at prices that seem impossible today. Think about it. Real value never disappears, it just changes. Hence, homes still exist, businesses still operate. The only thing that collapses is confidence. When fear is at its peak, that's when opportunity quietly appears. And when the world starts to rebuild, those who prepared will rise higher than ever before. So here's your playbook. Stay liquid, stay patient, learn the difference between price and value. And when the crowd is panicking, you stay calm. Because the crash that's coming isn't here to destroy your future. It's here to reveal who's ready for it. When the dust settles, the question won't be, did you survive? It'll be, did you prepare? History has already written the pattern, Nante. If you ever see it, but those who do, those who act with discipline, when everyone else hesitates and will stand on the other side of the storm as the new generation of wealth builders. The next crash won't just change markets, it will change lives, and the choice is yours. Will you be the one who fears it, or the one who's ready for it?